Imagine this. It's the turn of the century in America. The air is filled with the clatter of horse-drawn carriages on muddy, rugged roads. Life moved at the pace of a horse's trot. But one man, a mechanic from Michigan named Henry Ford, looked at this world and saw something different. He envisioned a future that moved faster. Henry wasn't born into wealth. He was a handsome guy, spending his days fixing engines in a small Detroit workshop. But his nights were filled with a burning passion sketching designs and dreaming of a vehicle that didn't need horses. People called him a dreamer, even a fool. But he had a revolutionary idea. A car not just for the rich, but for every American family. His first attempt was a public disaster. The car failed, investors bailed, and the newspapers mocked him. But for Henry, failure was just a stepping stone. Fueled by his wife Clara's unwavering belief, he went back to his workshop, grease on his hands, and fire in his eyes. He hammered, adjusted, and rebuilt until finally, a strange, loud machine rolled down the street on its own. It wasn't just a car, it was the start of a revolution on wheels. Ever wonder how one man put the world on wheels? After his first taste of success, Henry Ford hit a wall. He needed money for factories, but his engines were unstable, parts were weak, and workers were slow. Undeterred, he founded the Ford Motor Company, fueled by a single audacious dream to make cars faster and cheaper than anyone else. But the establishment fought back. Big companies called him a fool and spread rumors that his cars were traps. Investors fled, rivals poached his team, and even his own managers lost faith. Ford didn't flinch. He ignored fancy designs and focused on one thing: a simple, tough, affordable car for the people. He obsessed over every bolt and gear, but production was still too slow and expensive. Failure loomed. Then, a spark of genius: the assembly line. Instead of one person building a car, each worker mastered a single step. The industry mocked him, but when the first Model T rolled out, it silenced them all. Ford didn't just build a car, he built a new America. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more. By 1910, America was picking up speed, literally. The Ford Model T wasn't just a car, it was freedom on four wheels. Suddenly, people could journey to distant cities for work, explore the country, and connect in ways they never had before. Families pooled their savings, and kids dreamed of the day they'd be behind the wheel. But success attracts rivals. Competitors tried to copy Ford's designs and lawsuits piled up. Did he back down? No, he raised wages, improved his machines, and made the Model T more affordable each year. Dropping from $850 to under $300, it was cheaper than a horse and faster than a train. This sparked a revolution. Highways crisscrossed the nation, and the landscape filled with gas stations, motels, and diners. This was the birth of modern America, all fueled by one man's relentless dream of movement and freedom. His vision lives on in every car on the road today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this.